Guys, this is so over. I just fired my research team. Not because I hate them, because I found something that does 2 weeks of their work in 20 minutes. Guys, watch this. One sentence in, and suddenly I have a 100-page report, an Excel model, charts, citations, a slide deck, and a folder full of real files I can actually send to investors. Not a chat reply. All deliverables. Magic? Not really. This system is called Kimi Agent Swarm, a new mode inside Kimi from Moonshot. Instead of one AI answering you, it spins up to 300 AI agents working in parallel across up to 4,000 steps in a single run. Research agents, fact-checking agents, visualization agents, formatting agents, citation agents, entire workflows running at the same time while I go make coffee. Kimi has been exploding in Silicon Valley lately. Multi-billion-dollar valuation, NVIDIA invited them to GTC, and even Elon Musk publicly called their work impressive. Top AI founders believe the next billion-dollar company will not have thousands of employees anymore. It will be one cracked founder with 300 AI agents. So I gave it 4 jobs that would absolutely destroy a normal chatbot and let it cook. First up, finance. I dumped 5 years of NVIDIA financial filings into the swarm and asked for a McKinsey-style business analysis with slides. 20 minutes later, a multi-100-page PDF with financial models and professional charts, an Excel workbook with revenue breakdowns, margins, competitor benchmarks, investment thesis analysis, heat maps, sensitivity analysis, and a clean executive PowerPoint. Every chart looked investor-ready. Every number was cited and traceable back to the original report page. That used to be a junior analyst's entire week. Okay, next one, legal and compliance. I asked it to compare EU GDPR, US CCPA, and China's PIPL with the latest amendments and generate a compliance package for a global startup. Out came an 80-page compliance analysis that looked like it came from a top law firm. A comparison matrix, risk heat maps, compliance checklists, citations down to article numbers, and a full executive summary. This used to cost hundreds of dollars per hour with a 1-week turnaround. The swarm searched, cross-verified, fact-checked, formatted, and visualized everything in parallel. Now, academic research. This is where it gets scary. I uploaded 40 research papers and asked for a full literature review. Kimi returned a 100-page double-column academic paper with APA citations, charts, heat maps, LaTeX formulas, visual diagrams, a slide deck, and even a research mind map. I manually checked the citations. They held up. And finally, the perfect AI bros test. I told it to map the top creators across 100 YouTube niches. Not one niche, 100. A task that would normally destroy an intern for 2 straight weeks. You could literally see the swarm splitting tasks in parallel. Some agents researching creators, others verifying links, others generating charts, others building spreadsheets, and others writing summaries. Then everything merged back together into one clean deliverable stack. This is exactly where single-agent tools completely fall apart. Normal chatbots can answer a question. They cannot run hundreds of parallel searches, verify sources, structure data, generate files, build visualizations, and deliver a full research package. So here is the simple way to think about it. Use a normal chatbot when you need an answer. Use Kimi Agent Swarm when you need an actual deliverable. The honest limitation? Do not spin up 300 agents to write a tweet. Give it the project you have been procrastinating on for months. Competitor analysis, market intelligence, legal research, processing giant PDF archives, tailoring hundreds of resumes, financial due diligence. The single-agent AI era was about asking AI a question. This new era is about assigning AI an entire company workflow. 300 agents, 4,000 steps, research-grade outputs from one sentence. Comment "swarm" and I'll send you the exact prompts I used. And in the next video, I'm going to try building an entire market intelligence company using nothing except AI agents. Link to Kimi Agent Swarm is in the description.